Hey, welcome back to the shop. Today we are going to go over the active exhaust. There's this cable right here. These tend to get on the passenger side. Right here, you end up getting like some cuts because the muffler sometimes can get really close to the pinch weld and cause it to short out, which in turn will blow the fuse, and then you're stuck with loud exhaust until you put a new fuse in it, and then hopefully this don't touch again. But um, today we're going to replace this because uh, mine is in that condition right now. So we'll get to that. All right, so we're going to start off right here. Here's your main connector here, and then it just routes over and plugs in up there. So it's fairly simple. You can pretty much do that with one hand. So there's just like a safety lock. You press it back, push down on it. Sometimes it's a little hard. And I'm gonna have to probably, it's very close right now, so I'm gonna have to maybe lower the muffler mount so I can get it out. Two hands I was able to get that without dropping it. Then you're gonna pull these out here and then up here. And now it's just a matter of putting the other one up in here and put it back. All right, so there is the new one strapped in, but there is my revision there. That little piece of rubber that grips on to that pinch weld. Now I do have a gap there, but just in case this thing bounces upwards, it's not going to get cut by that anymore. That's real tight on there, so that's to protect that. But everything fits in the same spots. So more than likely, you'll end up with looking like this. Oh my God, what is with this thing? Here, so they got all cut like that, and I had it blow a fuse once already. So if you have a problem with that, that's usually what's causing it. The other side seems to have plenty of space. There's plenty of gap on this side, so it's probably not going to happen. So there is the part number. LMR does carry it, but if you want to find it somewhere else, that's what it is. So please, as always, hit that like and subscribe button, and we will catch you on the next one.